What is up, guys? Welcome back to another exciting episode of Hook 'N Bass 92. And today we're doing day 2 of the creek. It's kind of windy outside today. It's not as hot, so that's good. But it rained a little bit last night, so that pool where I want to fish might be a little bit high, and the bait fish probably moved down to the bridge again, so we might have to go there again. So what we're going to do today is grab one rod, one reel, one tiny hook, and a hot dog. I might grab some earthworms, and we're going to see what's in the creek today and see what's biting. It's probably going to have to drive like 15 minutes to get there, so I will see you guys when I arrive at the creek. Oh my God, there's that big bluegill right there. Look, he's literally sitting there staring right at me. You want it? There you go, get it. Get it. Top water action, got him. Oh yeah. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Woo! My God. Thing is massive. I knew they were in here, dude. I know they get this big too. The thing's huge. Look at that. Boom. Probably the biggest fish in here. See ya, dude. I saw him coming after it. It's like a top water, and when he hit it, it felt like a bass. It was so big. I could see in there because the water's so clear. It's crystal clear. Alrighty, he's over there, just chilling. I caught him. I want to get him again. That bluegill's mad. He's like over there. I wonder if that bluegill eats those creek chubs. I'm pretty sure he does. Here comes a bigger creek chubs. I should have put a bigger piece on. Yep, that piece fell off. So it looks like I'm gonna get a bigger piece and throw it out in that pool, because where it's deep, that's where they like to go. A lot of people don't realize is that there's big fish in creeks, and you just gotta find them. That was a terrible cast. Yeah, right, it's way too big for these fish. Something has to be over there. This thing fell off. So it looks like all there is over here is small ones. So I don't know if I can get those, but maybe I can get another one. Just put it on like a smaller piece and see how it works. But Usually I need the really big ones to get it. These little tiny ones, if I had a net, you can get them, but there's so many rocks here. See, there's a big creek chub right there we should go after. Catch a fish off of it. See what happens. There's some big ones over there that they need to go after. Got one. There's another one. It's pretty cool. Another one. It's a little creek chub again. He crushed it. Love the hot dog. Hot dog's doing work. Alrighty, so that's 3 fish. Now I'm going to see what this camera can do. Boom. Alright guys, so I wanted to do this ending for this video because I thought the series of creek videos were pretty good. Make sure you comment below and tell me if you liked them or not, if I should do more of them. I mean, I like them even though they're tiny fish. I just like exploring new places. I like fishing in clear water, and I like when I put my GoPro in the water. That just gave me more of, I would say, a perspective on what the fish like. Because when you're underwater, you see how they move, you see how they react. And as a fishing angler, I'm kind of like a hunter because I want to figure out what the fish want, what they like, and like how they swim and what scares them and not. So, I mean, you could sit there and just throw a lure in and just sit there and watch it and not like do anything about it. But I like to go out there, research stuff, go in the water, see how they like go in the water, see what they're eating, what plants, insects are around them and stuff like that. And I like to like find out what they like, because when I do that, when I do catch a fish, I feel like I accomplished something, and that's a pretty cool feeling. So again, if you guys want me to do more creek videos, comment below and tell me if you like them or not. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and also smash that like button. And as always, catch big fish. Have a good day. Boom. Look at this guy. Woo! My God. Thing is massive. I knew they were in here, dude. I know they get this big too. The thing's huge. Dude, go.